years, H2O, a world leader in steam cleaning, has provided millions of people the power and convenience of chemical-free cleaning with steam. Now, after over 10 years of innovation, meet the all-new H2O SteamFX Pro. It's the most versatile, most powerful, most innovative, most affordable, lightweight H2O steam cleaner. The SteamFX Pro combines the floor cleaning power of a steam mop with the versatility of a handheld steamer into one revolutionary steam cleaning system. A system that cleans, deodorizes, and helps sanitize almost every surface in your home. It packs a spot cleaner, hard surface cleaner, garment and upholstery steamer, plus a floor and carpet steamer, all into an industry-leading, powerful, and best of all, affordable steam cleaning system. 1,200 watts of steam penetrate deep into the nooks and crannies. The superheated steam loosens the dirt while the microfiber pad locks it in, cleaning and polishing at the same time. Its ergonomic design makes it easier to maneuver, and at just over a kilo, it's super lightweight. The super hot, powerful steam means a better, powerful clean. An extra large water tank cleans longer without a refill, making the job quick and easy. And the continuous steam trigger lets you enjoy effortless steaming. With the SteamFX Pro, you can clean and polish your sealed hardwood, tile, and linoleum floors without chemicals. Snap on the carpet glider to clean and deodorize your carpets or rugs. And the best part? In just a snap, it converts to a powerful handheld steamer for windows, sinks, fabric, upholstery, and more. The SteamFX Pro uses regular tap water which heats up to 110 degrees, giving you continuous steam that can clean nearly every surface. Whether it's cleaning glass and mirrors to a streak-free shine, tackling hard water and soap scum without scrubbing, steaming away wrinkles from clothes, or steam cleaning your sofa, the H2O SteamFX Pro is your go-to steam cleaning solution. The H2O SteamFX Pro can kill salmonella and E. coli without caustic chemicals or expensive cleaners. Throw out toxic chemicals that leave you gagging and say hello to a whole new level of clean with superheated steam. You can even use steam to help get rid of the odors from grease and buildup deep inside the pipes of your sink, or get into grout lines, making them look like new again. It's great for chemical-free cleaning around a high chair. If you have smelly pet beds, gym bags, or sports equipment that can't be washed, you'll love the safe deodorizing power of steam.